Hello everybody, hello, how are you guys doing? In this video I'm going to show you how I fixed my wig. Okay, you see how I fixed my lace front wig. I'm going to show you guys every single thing you need to know to slay this wig. Yes, all right. Under this wig, I have this cap on. Okay, I have this wig cap on. It is Velcro, it's breathable. You do not need to glue it. Okay, it sticks to your head and it helps the wig to stay in place. I have this in my link, okay, in the description bar. Grab yourself one. Okay, it's on my Amazon store. Okay, my beautiful ladies, I am here to serve you. I'm here to help us look fabulous. I'm here to help us to save money so that we don't have to go to the hair salon and waste time and waste money also. Okay, so we could just come here, come to Dunn's Pixie and Wigs and learn how to look fly on a budget. That's right, we are going to look fly on a budget. Okay, so yeah, so grab yourself this wig cap. Like I said, it's very easy to install. You just put it on your head and then you put the wig and then you start to glue. Okay, really quick, really easy. All right, so right now you guys, I am about to glue my hair. If you want to know which glue I use, okay, this glue, I love it. I love it, love it. It goes on clear. It makes your scalp, it makes the wig look, it gives your wig this like glossy, kind of clear look. Okay, so it makes the scalp, it really brings out the scalp of the wig. It's hard to explain, y'all. It's hard to explain, but like I said, this glue is like my to-go glue. Okay, if you guys want to know which kind of glue it is, and also if you want to know which link I am using, okay, comment below. All right, and I could send you the link. Okay, I will do that. All right, so let me know, y'all. Speak to me, y'all. Speak to me. Even though the glue looks thick and tacky, when it dries it really goes on clear. Okay, it goes on really clear, like I was saying, and it kind of mimics the scalp. It brings out the scalp really well. You will see, stay tuned to the whole video. You'll see at the end how it looks like. Okay, yes, and if you want to see my hair in a wig, okay, if you want to see my different styles that I style, log on to my Instagram account. Okay, my Instagram account is Dunn's Beautiful People, all one word. Okay, and I'm going to put it in the description bar. Okay, and yes, it's Dunn's Beautiful People. Follow me on Instagram so you could see how I style my hair. You could also get daily motivation, okay, because I have my other channel, which is Dunn's Beautiful People. All right, so my Instagram will also have some videos, some pictures of me with my wig on. Okay, so yes, but that being said, y'all, so after I put the glue on, as you guys could see, I blow dried. Okay, you have to take your time to blow dry. Okay, now I have to admit, I am not the most patient person. This process is the longest process. Okay, because you have to blow dry, keep on blow drying it until the glue is clear. Okay, until it goes from that cloudy thick look to basically clear and invisible. Okay, so you have to keep on, blow dry it. But y'all, I don't have patience. Yo, I gotta go. I want to put on this wig and go on about my business. Okay, but that being said, y'all, I waited as long as I can. But don't feel bad if it's not completely dry. Okay, because as time goes on, it will completely dry out. Okay, so you see, boom, y'all. You see how easy that was. I just pull it to the front. Okay, I pull it to the front. I make sure I set the wig exactly where I want it to be sat on my forehead. Now that being said, y'all know that. Okay, by now, if you haven't noticed, I have a 7 head. And I'm not ashamed to say it, okay? Because pretty girls, where are my pretty girls? Pretty girls, okay? Type in amen below if you feel me. Why is it that so many pretty girls, okay, most pretty girls that I see have big foreheads? Tell me, why is that? And here you go. I have a 7 head, okay? I don't have a 4 head. I have a 7 head. So therefore, the wigs love me, okay? I have plenty of room, plenty of space to just sit that wig down on my forehead, okay? So if I want my forehead to look smaller, easy. I could easily manipulate the wig, okay, to make my forehead look however shape I want it to look. But that being said, y'all, this is another process, okay, where you have to make sure you are very careful with the baby hair, okay? So right here, this is how I do my baby hair, okay? Like, I don't really follow the trend. This is how I've always done my baby hair, okay? This is more realistic and it's more grown looking. So this kind of method that I use, please pay close attention, okay? um it just gives you baby hair throughout, okay? To me, it's more natural, it's more sexy, it's more realistic, okay? Because I don't want to look like everybody else, okay? Like, I want to be unique, okay? Uniquely blessed, unique a look to me, okay? So I don't do the little baby swoop on each side and then another swoop on the sideburns. I don't like that look. Honestly, I don't like it. I've never liked it. It looks so fake. But it seems like every girl is just doing that trend. Like, don't do set your own trend, okay? Set your own. And of course, after I kind of, do the baby hair. Now, to go back. This wig that you're looking at, this wig, I've had it for about 6 to 8 months. Okay, so I have already plucked the front. Okay, so make sure you pluck the front to your liking. I've already cut the baby hair, to my liking. Y'all, who saw my previous video? Who saw my previous video of how I cut myself? I cut myself when I was cutting my blonde bang, okay, my blonde bang. So tell me, comment below if you saw my previous video and if you liked it, and what's your comment? Like, do you have any questions for me about the previous video that I made? From it's titled From Black to Blonde, okay? So let me know, y'all. But that being said, yes, my beautiful ladies, with the comb, I'm just trying to perfect the baby hair in the front, okay? Because it's very important for the front of your hair, okay? For the front of the wig, for your hairline to look right, because that's what people are going to be looking at when they see you. That's what's gonna make the wig look realistic, okay? And the way that the hairline looks, it's what differentiates between your grandma's wig and basically your wig, today's wig, okay? Because when I have my wig on, a lot of people think it's really my real hair, seriously, especially when I use this kind of wig, which is a kinky straight hair, okay? That's a kinky straight hair. When I use that wig, it really helps me out here, okay? It really makes it really kind of goes well with any black woman, who, if you haven't had a chance as a black woman to buy a kinky wig, okay, I really strongly encourage you to get yourself a kinky wig. I'm telling you, you will fall in love with it, because the first time I put on a kinky wig, I completely fell in love with it, okay? That's like my to-go favorite kind of wig to wear, okay? Because it looks so realistic. It really mimics our own natural hair, all right? So yes, as you can see, my beautiful people, I'm just kind of like, cutting the little fine baby hair, just kind of making it my own, just, making it look very real, just kind of going back to using a little bit more of a hairspray, this little hairspray. If there's any spot that looks light, that might look kind of bald, like I need to add more volume to it, I would use a bit of the hairspray that you saw and just kind of blow dry it, and it will look very nice, okay? Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. The process continues, y'all. Just take your time with it, okay? Take your time. Make sure you have everything you need around you, okay? And just make sure that it looks it looks unique to you when you are doing the hair, okay? No rush. yeah, so you see here, there was this little spot that I wanted to bring more hair to that spot, you know. It looked kind of empty. So I just sprayed it with the spray, and then I'm going to just pull some hair down there to add more volume to that spot. And let me know if you ladies want to know exactly what products I'm using and how to get it. But once again, most of these products are on my Amazon link. Okay, so just go ahead and click on the link. You will see it. Okay, you'll be able to get yourself these products too. Okay, you see how like sort of like in the back kind of you could see the light part of the wig cap. Don't worry about that part, okay? Because as we could always cover it with hair, okay? Like tomorrow, or I think during this video too, like I just cut a little bit of hair. I just kind of put a little bit of hair towards that section to cover the bright wig cap that you saw on the other side, okay? And here I am. I'm just trying to, make it as perfect as I can, y'all, because like I said, I am a perfectionist when it comes to my hair. And also, guys, the mirror that you see that's hanging on my door right there, that hanging mirror, is also a lifesaver. Whenever I'm doing my pixie, okay, whenever I'm doing my pixie cut, because you all know under this wig, okay, your girl has a pixie cut. So which is, it's so beautiful being a woman. I'm telling you, like, I don't know how some women can go around like 12 months a year, 365 days out of the year, and wear the same hairdo. Like, I cannot do it. Like, even if you pay me, I cannot wear my hair the same way every single day. I have to really change up. Anyhow, y'all. So this mirror, okay, that's hanging by my door, click on the link. Okay, you could have one just like it. It's really nice for you to see the back of your head, okay, because sometimes when we are styling our hair, it's hard to see the back, so it really helps out a lot. Okay, so like I said, just get yourself a headband, okay, and make sure you cover the front. You tie your edges, okay. You tie the front of your hair. You really secure it before you do any kind of hairstyling, okay. Before any kind of hairstyling, because you're gonna be pulling on the hair, so you want to make sure that the hair is secure on your head. Okay, so that's why you have to really make sure you put a headband so that it doesn't go anywhere, okay. Because when I'm doing my hair, when I am styling my hair, I'm kind of rough, okay. I pull on it. I make sure that I get all the what's it called, the kinks out of the way. All right, so make sure you secure it, okay. You see, I have to take off my earrings because that stuff was just like in the way. It's like, ooh, gotta just make sure you get down with it, okay. Give me space, y'all. So right here, my beautiful people, what I'm doing here is that I am putting some gel. Okay, I'm putting some gel on my hair that just kind of helps to define my sections better, okay. It also helps the hair to stay in place, okay, when I style the hair. So that's what I do. You see how the section looks nice and open? It just kind of lay down the hair. She's so silly, y'all. I'm so silly. I have so many of them. I'm telling you, in my closet. I did a previous video, y'all. I'm not sure if it's on this channel or my other channel, but I had all these wig heads all lined up. I'm telling y'all, we need to have fun in life. Okay, life is awesome. Life is wonderful. Like, I talk a lot about how to be joyful and how to live your best life and all that stuff in my other channels. So y'all, feel free to follow me there too. But yeah, see how beautiful the hair is, y'all. I think this is about 20 inches, okay, if I'm not mistaken. It's either, yeah, I think it is 20 inches. It's either 18 or 20, but I think this might be 20. But like I said, y'all, I got this wig a while back, okay. So let me know if you want me to send you the link for this wig, okay, because I could also do that too. All right, but I need you, my beautiful pixie girl, my beautiful wig ladies, to talk to me, y'all. Talk to me and let me know. Talk to me and let me know what you would like of me. Okay, how can I best serve you? All right. Isn't it pretty, y'all? Isn't the hair pretty? The hair is so pretty. So yeah, so I'm not doing much with it. Like, I'm not curling it. I'm just leaving it straight. Okay. She is feeling herself. Yeah, she is feeling herself. Yeah, girl, you good girl. You are doing that. Yes. Y'all, you need to hype yourself. Okay, okay, ladies. You need to be your number one cheerleader. You need to hype yourself. Okay. Love yourself. Self-improvement, self-love. And y'all, when you're doing this wig, okay, when you're installing your wig, you better get something to drink, get some water, because it's a process. It's a process, y'all. But actually, it took me longer because, I'm recording the video. But it takes me about, to install my wig, really, it takes me about like 30 minutes max, I want to say, to install it. But then, what's it called? But doing my hair, like, styling it could take another like 20 minutes to style it. So the whole thing, I usually give myself like an hour for my hair. Okay. Like, if I haven't installed it. Okay. But after I install the hair, it just takes me about 20 minutes max to do my hair, depending on how I want it to look. Okay. If I want to just put it in a bun and go, or if I want to curl it. Okay. So it all depends. But as you can see, the hair is pretty much done, y'all. I'm just going back to it. I'm just, making sure that I flat iron it, because this hair, like I said, it's a kinky hair. And do you notice how it's kind of red? So when I got this hair, it was jet black, and I was like, nah, I don't want it to be jet black. So I just basically bleached it, to be honest with you. Like, I bleached it. Of course, I did not leave the bleach on for too long. So when I see that the hair was starting to change colors, I would just, wash it out. I bleached this hair, honestly, I want to say about 4 different times. Okay, about 4 different times to get it to this kind of reddish, burgundy, black color that you see here, okay? So yes, my beautiful pixie and wig ladies, okay, because I know us ladies, we like to change our hair up, okay? So that's why I'm calling this channel Pixie and Wigs. Let me know your thoughts, y'all. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know your comments. Let me know what you think about this hair, okay? Like the video. Subscribe, y'all. If you have not done so, subscribe, and feel free to share this video. Let me know if you have any questions, okay? If you desire to have this wig, or check out the link, okay, to buy yourself some of the products. See, y'all, see how nice the front looks now? You see? It looks nice and full, y'all. I'm telling you, it's worth taking your time. Yeah, so click on the link, y'all, okay? And yes, I will see you, my beautiful ladies, on the next video, okay? So let me know what kind of videos you want me to make, okay? But subscribe, and there's a whole lot more videos about hair to come, because doing my hair, that's like my hobby. Like, I actually enjoy doing my hair. I really enjoyed it. And like I said, I really want us all to be able to do our hair and make it look like we just stepped out of the hair salon without actually having wasted our time and money at the hair salon. But this little part there looks like there's a little bald spot, but don't worry, y'all. Just put the hair down. No one will see that part of it. No one will see it. And if anything, I will just add more baby hair to it. Okay, I will just spray more baby hair to it, okay? So it's gonna look just fine, y'all. Look how natural the hair looks, okay? Look how it looks like just a natural, like it's literally could grow from my own scalp, okay? Like, it's not all shiny and straight. It's just beautiful. Love you guys. See you in the next video. Mwah.